Welcome back. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers so we can start donating our YouTube revenue to support families battling cancer. Join our journey, hit that subscribe button, and make a difference today. Now back to the video.
Alright, so today we're at Spokane Riverfront and we found some really interesting little things on the side of the pathway here. So I guess they're wild turkeys. So what are you? Thanksgiving's coming. Not fat enough. Oh, okay.
We are on the way.
The path wends its way from side to side, down under the bridge for a viewing platform of the waterfall. So on the opposite side of the river there's a gondola which runs up the side of the river. That's $14 a person. We may have a look at that a bit later on. We've got most of the day to spend down here, but lots and lots of footbridges and bridges going across the river for us to explore. A carousel, indoor carousel, which is down by the river front. Something I've not ever seen before. Probably really common here in the US, but this is the first one we've seen. That's pretty cool. For little kids, that'd be really cool. The carousel was manufactured in 1909. All of the rides, the horses and things were all hand carved. It was relocated to Spokane in 1975, and it's on the historic places list. So this section appears to be like a holding area for the water that would go into the power station. Obviously the power station's disused now, and there's a lovely clock tower on the other side. So in 1974, the area around the Spokane Upper and Lower Falls was host to the World Expo. Then it's an absolutely beautiful place, and the clock tower used to be part of the railway network, and it was the whole island was donated to the city of Spokane by the railway. So as mentioned before, the clock tower was part of the train setup here. It was actually attached to the building, and if you look very closely, you can see like the roof line coming down, where the top half was in the elements and the bottom half was inside the building. So here we have the pavilion, or the US pavilion, which is part of the Spokane River walk area. From here you can see both the holding ponds for the old power station, and then on the other side the river running through. Lovely little spot. It'd be nice to come to little plays and concerts and things here. It's got a large vast open area at the base there, and then all of these seating and grassed areas around the back, plus this raised platform in the middle, which I presume would be used for any lighting or anything that would be needed. Fantastic arrangement. So this area here is dedicated to the sister cities of Spokane. There's about 5 of them. I'll list them all off as I pan around so you can try to link the installations to the cities. So there's one from Japan, one from China, one from Ireland, one from South Korea, and one from Italy. This is the Washington Water Power Building, no longer in operation. We're wondering whether we can get a look inside, but chances I think are very slim. Okay, that's our trip to the Spokane riverfront walks. It's on both sides of the river. Fantastic area. If you get a chance to come down here when you're in Spokane, by all means do it. It's really fantastic. See you next time, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.